What's going on everyone, Nathan here from myimtips.com, and in today's video I'm going to share with you 5 must-read books to grow your online business. And if you're totally new and you want to get started with your online business, they are perfect for this as well. To find out all the details, all you have to do is stay with me. But first, if you're new around, make sure to subscribe to my YouTube channel and hit that notification bell so you can be notified every time I upload a new video about internet marketing related tips, online business, making money online, and a lot more. Alright guys, the first video uploaded on this channel was the importance of reading books. Back then I talked about how important it is to read hard copy books. This is actually a part of my morning routine. I like to read every single morning a little bit, and I prefer to do it in hard copy because I don't want to turn on my computer while I'm doing my morning routine. Now if you haven't watched that video, make sure you do that. And I also talked about my morning routine, which I think is very important to actually get started your day right there. So reading is a part of my morning routine, which I have forgotten a bit, but I got started lately and I picked a few books that I want to reread, and I thought I wanted to share them with you here today so you can actually benefit from these books to grow, and of course if you are starting your online business there as well. So without further ado, let's go ahead and start with number 1. Number 1 is a book from J. Abraham. It's Getting Everything You Can Out of All You Got. This is a great book. No matter if you have an on or offline business, there are tons of strategies inside here. So definitely one of the top recommendation here. Okay, J. Abraham, this is one of his best seller, if I remember right also. So there are really, you can see here, 21 ways you can outthink, outperform and outearn the competition. So many tips inside this book here, definitely a good read, okay? The next book is a classic one, Tested Advertising Methods from John Caples. This is a really old book. I can't remember exactly when the first one was published. I think 1930 or something like that. But this is perfect for anyone who wants to learn copy, for example, advertising copy especially. It is a must read, okay? All the basics are still valid, so it hasn't changed since they wrote this book. It is recommended, you can see it around that they do recommend this book actually for writing copy, especially ad copy. Let's see what we have next here. This was the book that I actually recommended back then in my video. The One Thing, perfect one to get focused and focus on one thing at a time, but also a lot of business tips inside this book. Highly recommended. Basically the one thing that I can remember right now is that it makes you ask yourself every single day, what's the number one thing I can do, for example, to grow my online business, okay? It makes you get started with this question, and then you activate your brain there and you focus on what you really must do and not doing some other tasks that is not so important. So definitely a great book, highly recommended. It is by Gary Keller with Jay Papasan. Alright, let's move on to the next 2 books here that I have left for you. They are from the same author. This is the first one, .com Secrets. Now it is actually a second version around now if you order this book, and I'm going to leave a link here so you can order this book and get it free, totally free. Now this is actually everything you need for your online business. It covers everything from A to Z with your online business there on how to build a funnel. And basically what Russell shares here is what he did to get started from 0 to 1 billion plus with ClickFunnels. Okay, so there are so many things that is covered inside this book. Highly recommended. And as I said, I'm going to leave a link right here below. I can't really talk enough about this book. There are so many tips. This is a must for everyone who wants to get started with an online business, affiliate marketing, or anything that has to do with an online business actually. And the second one is also from Russell Brunson. It is Expert Secrets. I'm going to leave a link so you can grab this also for free. All you have to do is pay for shipping for both these books, both the .com secrets and the expert secrets here. Now, expert secrets is the second part in my opinion. It goes a little bit hand in hand with .com secrets. And just to read a real quick here for you, it will help you to find your voice and give you the confidence to become a leader. Also, it will show you how to build a mass movement of people whose life you can affect, and it will teach you how to make this calling a career where people will pay you for your advice. So now you have a little bit of an idea of what Expert Secrets is all about. But definitely at least get .com secrets is a must. And I mean, you get it totally free. All you have to do is pay for the shipping there. Alright, so there you have it, 5 must-read books to grow your online business. And if you are starting your online business, I definitely recommend to get .com secrets, at least the first one and most important books, because there are tons of information shared in that book. And it is totally free, all you have to do is pay for the shipping there. If you got some value here, I really appreciate if you smash that like button below. Make sure you subscribe to both my YouTube channels, hit the notification bell also, and make sure you check out my other video recommendation here. Thanks a lot for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.